A big end mill again, a 4-flute end mill this time, and I'm going to set everything up here and again, and I'm going to clean everything up. I have a little bit of ridges here and things from the small thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean everything up here now. And let me get situated here a little bit. And I'll be moving my x-axis, y-axis, anything it takes now, and rotate anything it takes now to get all this cleaned up. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the edges here first, the square edges here first. I'll touch off here, right there. And I'll clean up off at that point, and then I'll take the rotary table itself. Right there. Now I'll touch into the rotary into the that area there now, and I'll start moving the rotary table now. Like that. Okay, that's all cleaned up. Now I'll just pull my x-axis in just a little bit more yet, and do a quick cleanup on the climb mill now, on the rotary table part. Lock both table axes, and now just do a climb mill here, and get that nice and smooth. Pull the x-axis in a little more yet, right there. Okay, that's it. That should take care of that. Okay, one more operation now, and that would be to get a center hole now for the actual guide bar hole, and then I may take this over to my lathe. I'm not sure yet. I still have one more rotary table operation to do yet before I drill this here hole here. I have to shorten this up so that this here meets into this here. I have to get that inch. This from here to here is 1 inch to match into here. And right now I'm about 1 1/8 inches or so long right now, so I have to now set this up so I can cut this down here and cut this across here now and get this here dimensioned out now. And that's what's coming up next. Okay, so before I go any further, I have a few screws here to move. For instance, this one right here is going to be in the way now, so remove that one. This one here is no longer being used, so we can get rid of that one and put that someplace different. Since I'm going to be cutting down into here yet and coming across this way and back over, I'll put this here. I'll put a screw back here now, someplace in here to keep that from twisting. Maybe put one right here. Yeah, that'll work. I'll put one right here. That'll keep it from twisting. So I just put that screw there nice and tight into there now, tight against there. I can keep that one there. I'm going to be machining down from here now again. Down here, I'll be coming across so far and then coming out this way here. I may put a screw over here yet, I'm not sure, but this here will definitely take care of this here being pushed this way. And we got one right here still established. I think it'll be okay. I'm going to go ahead and get lined up here now to start cutting this here radius here and bring this out. That's what's coming up next. I want to use that 1 inch mark that I had before. Before I had to take this so far down to here, but now I come from here up to here, that 1 inch, to make that fit the handle on the plunger itself. And then come from here now. I'm going to clear that screw, so I'll come about right here. I'm going to clear that screw. That's about where I want. I'm going to just clear the screw right through there now. I can always clean this back up again too, until I get that 1 inch I'm looking for. Okay, so now I'm ready to start setting up here again. Again, moving the rotary table, the XY movements, everything to get where I want to establish this at. I think I'm going to work on the curve first all the way down, because I'm already there now as it is. So it's going to take me a little bit of time getting this set up first, and then I'll come back with this. Make good video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my x-axis now and touch off while I'm moving the rotary until I get it touching here, about there. Now I'm touching the curve, so I'll lock my x-axis here, lock my y-axis, and then I'll just see what I got here now. And then I want to stop it where I see them coming in. Now I want to stop it where I see them coming into that line. And then when we record that right there, it stops right there. So that is at 80, that's at 78 degrees. 78 degrees, you have to remember that now, 78 degrees. Now I'll go ahead and cut this all the way down to the faceplate and stop at 78 degrees on the rotary table. Everything's locked. I'm going to watch that rotary table now for 78 degrees. Right there. I'll bring that down a little more. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the axis, and I'm going to go ahead and drop that down. So I'm going to go ahead and keep on dropping the z-axis now and cut that all the way down. All the way down. Okay, now we'll set the rotary table up on the XY axis, get everything back in 0 again, or on 90, whatever it's going to take, to bring this out straight out now on the Y axis movement. And that's what's coming up next. For sure, since we had 0 going in this direction, all we're doing is turn this 90 degrees, because there's 0 in this direction here. So now all I got to do is turn 90 degrees. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn my rotary table 90 degrees and lock the rotary table right there. Lock that. And now it's just a matter of bringing my, I changed the bit to a smaller bit so it's not as much vibration. What I'll do now is bring this down until I'm touching inside that pocket that we just cut. And then I can start moving it out. Here's the X and Y axes, get inside that pocket. Right there. Right there. Lock the X axis. And let's see what we got here now. Bring it down, touch off a little bit here. Right there. And come across on the Y axis. And now we're 90 degrees. And we can cut that off completely now. Yet. Now we're there. Okay. What I'll do now is I'll take a measurement from here to here and see how close I get to my 1 inch, and I'll take a little off this side here now as necessary now. I'll take a little bit off this side here now, a little bit if I need to. Take about maybe 10 thousandths off this side here. It's very, very close to 1 inch across. So I'll just take a little bit off this side here. And I can put this screw on this side here now for safekeeping. And now it's just a matter of just loosening the x-axis, keeping the y-axis okay, and just moving across because the rotary table is set on 90 degrees still. Move this over to here, bring it down, touch off, and away we go. Here we got 10 thou. Lock it. I think it's all in one shot this time. We'll see. Yeah, that'll work. It cleans up that edge. I'll do a climb cut back now. I'll take another about 5, 10, right there. And do a climb cut now. That's looking good. Okay. Give one real quick measurement here. Pretty close, about 5,000. Pretty close. I'll let you at that. Maybe take another 5 yet. Take another 10. This one's short. Yeah. Come back another climb cut. Clean it up. There we go. Looks more even now too. Yep, right on. So we need that. About 5,000 short. That's what I need at. Just a little bit shy of an inch now, so that'll fit on the bracket nicely. Alright, the next thing now will be to locate the hole for the center guide bar, and then we can go to the lathe and actually drill that hole out. I'm going to probably do a mark crossed here also, since I have the rotary table, for where that's going to get cut off at. I'm not sure about that yet, but I think that's all I'm going to do for right now, for this video here. The next video I'm going to start working on the slot cutting, the hole drilling, and boring out and things, and finishing to that point there. Right now, this is all I'm going to do for this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.